Hello everyone, my name is Hetansh Vakta. I am from class 8. Today I am going to tell you about potentiometer with Arduino. I currently go to Robotrix India where I have learned Arduino programming and C programming. It is a very nice place and currently it is being held online. Let's get started working on the potentiometer. So first we will discuss the materials needed. So we will be needing a Arduino, uploading cable, potentiometer, MF jumper wire, LED module and a screwdriver which will be required for the rotation of the potentiometer. So what is potentiometer? A potentiometer is a simple knob that provides a variable resistance which we can read into the Arduino board as an analog value. It can control various things like blinking of LED, turning on and off of various LEDs. I have even given the image of Arduino and potentiometer. There are basically 3 pins in potentiometer. First is 5 volt, second is ground and third is the input. Let's now discuss the connection of the wire. So from LED module, LED 1 will be on digital pin 3 of Arduino, LED 2 will be on digital pin 4, LED 3 will be on digital pin 5, ground pin will be on ground pin in Arduino. From potentiometer, ground pin will be on ground pin in Arduino, 5 volt will be on 5 volt, input will be on analog pin A0. Now let us discuss the code of turning on and off 3 LEDs. Firstly, I have done the initialization of potentiometer on A0, then I have done the initialization of LED on 3, 4, 5 respectively, then I have written potentiometer and LED as input and output, then I have defined the value of potentiometer on X and then I have printed the value of X on serial monitor, then I have given a condition that if the value is less than 200, then LED 1 will be high. Then if it is between 200 to 600 then LED 2 will be high, and if it is between 600 to 900 then LED 3 will be high, and if it is above 900 then all the LED will turn off. Now we will see the outcome of the code. So we can see that the LED and the values printed are working simultaneously as we had written in the code. Thank you everyone. If you like this video then please subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get further notifications. Bye everyone.